Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is calculation of circles. But in this case, we have a rectangle with some half circles or semicircles on each end. So let's see what we're trying to do today. Today's question says, find the area of the figure below. So we want to find the area, that's key, composed of a rectangle with two semicircles removed. All right, well, that's key there, removed. Round to the nearest tenths place. Okay, so our answer will not be exact. It will be rounded. Cool, let's go back to the beginning. Find the area. Okay, well, in order to find the area, we've got some different figures that we need to look at here. Well, the area of a rectangle is simply base times height or length times width, whichever you prefer. And then we also have some circles. Well, the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So we have the length, which is 7, and the width, which is 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, so we have the area of the rectangle is 42 square units. All right, let's look at the area of the circle. We need to find the radius. Well, the problem is we don't have the radius. All we know is that we have the diameter, which is 6. But we can use that because we know that the radius is half of that, which would be 3. So plugging 3 in for radius, that gives us 3 quantity squared, which is 9 times pi. Now, that's for a full circle. But as you can see here, we have 1/2 and another half, which makes a full circle. So, let's find the area of that circle using pi of 3.14. So we get 28.27 square units. And now what we have to do though is we have to remove that circle from the rectangle. So that means we need to subtract. So we need to take the rectangle, which has an area of 42 square units, and then we have a full circle. It has an area of 28.27 square units. And we need to subtract them. That gives us 13.73 square units for this area right here. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope the video was helpful for you today. And as always, we will see you next time.